Nice. Nice box out. Good job, Marcotis. Look up. Look up. Look at BJ. There it is. There it is. Nice, Marcotis. Up, up. Nice, nice. That wasn't a double. Elbows out. There it is, there it is. Let it fly. Good job, Marcotis. Oh! Woo! Woo! Nice! Nice! Nice, 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 nice. Good job, Bo. Score is 14-9. Score is 18-15 us. They made a couple shots. Go! Push it, push it, push it. There you go. Go, Jay. Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll show you that shot later. Jaden, it was awesome. Yes, get the rebound. That's a foul. Push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it. Let's go. There you go. You can do that too. Let's go, Hurricanes. Play defense. Let's go. Pick them up. Watch the pass. Watch the pass. Damn, you knew where that pass was going, boy. blocks in a row. We got something to prove today. 24 to 15, they are balling. Pick him up! Pick him up! Nope, they shooting up 3 garbage. Damn, he threw that pass right where Jaden was going to be. Up there! Get it there! Up! Up! Come on, Jay! Come on, Brown, get your hands out there! BJ's defense sucks. Let's go! Go, Jay! Go, Jay! Go, Jay! Look at Q! Look at Q! Q like that. Nice, nice, nice. Look up, look up. That's a foul. Stop the ball. Oops, that's over the back. Oh! Out of bounds. Let's go. Joshua. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Get the rebound. 23-28. 10 seconds left in the first half. That's you. Description. That is his job. That is your job, Vincent. 23 to 29. That's where our point comes, because we had another point. We had 29 a minute ago. Why do we not have 29? Okay, maybe it's right. I don't know. 5.9 seconds in the first half. Stop ball! Stop the ball! Stop the ball! Second half. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Baby. Get the rebound. Get your hand in there. Get your hand in there. Oh, get back. Vincent, help. Get back. Get back. Drop back. Drop back. Drop down. Drop down, baby. Go to the hole. Go to the basket. Hey, Joshua, you low. Vincent. Too much. JJ. Tyshawn's on the line. They're working hard, hands up. Our ball. Let's go, let's go. Go, push it, push it, push it. Push it, push it, push it. Ah. There you go, Joshua. Look up, look up, look up, look up. There you go. Go. Oh, wow. That's one way to get rid of it. Left in the second half. Help me, get up there, get to the ball, get to the ball. There it is. Go. There you go. There you go. Swing it, swing it, swing it. Ah, turn, Marcotis. No. There you go, Job. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ah. Come on, Jay. He's holding his arm. There it is, Joshua. Ah. You can't hold that either. 39-34. Let's play defense, Hurricanes defense. 37-39. 7 minutes left. Let's go. Let's go, Hurricanes. There you go, Jay. Good job, Joshua. Watch. Look up, look up, look up. Look up, look up, look up. There you go, Marcotis. They ain't letting go. Let's go, Hurricanes. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, he's gonna turn. Yep. Woo! Defense! 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 Defense, Brown! Defense! Their big man just fouled out. Go! It's you, Josh! It's you! .5-point game. They don't know enough to push the ball up the court. 2:17. Bo's playing defense like he always does. Derek got the rebound. In the point guard's hand. Turn around, Bo. End of the game, 155, 47-42. This is current score. 2 minutes left, 152, 47-42. And they don't know why they're not pushing the ball up the court. He need to be pushing. They need to be pushing real fast because they need all the time they can get.